Ano ba po kabalen? Kumusta kayo po na? Ako po Louis Season.
Ako Marco Nanan, ning we're in Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga daw ngayon, may imbita kami kay metong milk tea shop na. Obviously kasi milk tea lang yung harap namin. Pero matutula ko Mark kasi actually proud ko kay ning milk tea shop ay ni. We don't claim for them, pero if I'm not mistaken, if my survey recalls me right na. Ito yung pwede ka rin maragulang milk tea shop or chain kani, if not Pampanga, even the entire Philippines. Hailing like over and under 120 stores all over the Philippines. So they are turning 1 year next month. Maka-proud as sa Kapampangan na usong-uso na lang yung milk tea shop na may magsisulputan na rin alo-alo ang milk tea shop. And we've been to a lot of them.
Yes.
And atin mo naman homegrown, atin mo naman like franchise from other
places.
Even other countries like Taiwan or Japan, mga yan. Pero itabing sabi ko na din, maka-proud na may itong company from Pampanga, pag maragul tayo, king makanitang status and milestones. And as you can see guys, kaning harap tamo, alila mo po milk tea shop din karelang to-offer.
And naring kahit snacks.
Kaya tamong orientation, atin lang atlong categories for Milk Tealicious stores na atin lang Milk Tealicious Cafe,
Milk Tealicious Plus,
which is this one, and then itong Milk Tealicious where it all actually started mo. But guys, meto mo naman innovation kaning company na Milk Tealicious isining karelang flex card. So ini guys, in Milk Tealicious meto yung karing menu ng ginamit
flex card. So
how does it work? You can actually load it. And then you can use it as cashless transaction for further transactions. Ba't kaya rin na nito, kada gamit mo kanini guys,
you can accumulate points na pwede mong gamitan panyaliting milk tea, kaning Milk Tealicious.
What a great deal mo naman kanina. O ito, so enough with the talk guys. So we're gonna taste test.
Dig in,
hanapin nitang kahit tamong friend tamo. So we're gonna go first with
atin tamo kaning honeydew with pearl, fruity blueberry with nata, Yakult blend strawberry, in same time strawberry yarin yung Pampanga.
Oh, okay.
Apining strawberry red velvet cheesecake, matcha cream cheese with pearl.
Sabi ko na ata eh. So itsura na pa mo guys, siyempre. Matcha na yan.
Atin tawag ring purple yam cream cheese with pearl, dark chocolate cream cheese with pearl yarin. Yakult blend green apple.
So atin lang mo naman palang kaya yun, healthy options.
Yes. So atin tayo ng option of milk tea and fruit tea. Okay. Okinawa with pearl.
Okinawa with pearl.
Yakult lychee with Pampanga. Thai tea cream cheese. And lastly, Oreo cream cheese.
Oreo. Okay. Actually, nalinaway tayo itang karelang menu. As low as 90 pesos. Milk tea with cream cheese naman guys, it's as low as 100 pesos. Ali ka magtaka talaga, anya ring makapunta kayo ni even retang student. Kumbaga, kaya afford din.
Yes. Kumbaga, actually kang budget.
Chicken budget, mga yan. Okay, so let's talk about din karelang kaya na naman snacks. Siyempre minsan, wala mabibitin ka kayong inuman mo, mga yan. Manin doon kitang wala mo, atin ka dapat
tutulak.
So atin lang yan guys, Clubhouse. Atin lang mo naman nachos, shawarma salad, which is super mouth-watering, appetizing na. At nila mo naman shawarma, of course, itong kaya katamong usual shawarma. And then atin lang mo naman tacos kaya itong harap tamo. Nung ikaw yung chicken situation na ini, nanong mo muna yung takman?
Is it the snacks or the milk tea?
Comment sila po kaya katamong comment section, bakit ito pisabihan tala.
So, pero yung katamo, snacks tapa.
Snacks tapa, okay. So in Clubhouse, the guys, is just 50 pesos. Meaning lunch mo,
or
brunch as early as 10 AM, pwede mo na rin i-brunch ini.
Ako naman, itang shawarma da. So, yung shawarma da is 60 pesos.
Wow! Surprisingly natin yung ba yung sauce or dressing na aliwala siya.
Pero yaman niya.
You can only have it these can kaya Milk Tealicious Plus pala nito. Wait na, so since may atamanta na karelang snacks, mag-try na naman karelang drinks, of course. Honeydew with pearl. Ayan, no? Ining karelang cup actually is reusable. So one of the few milk tea shops din na gagamit reusable. Metong lang kayo din, kukomment lang rin kasi
another advocacy na to help the environment.
Help environment, okay. Wow! Parang batang 90s yung lasa na. Honeydew.
Maka-refreshing yung kaida. Fruity blueberry na. May kanyaman. Especially, mas manyaman niya. Itang with nata.
So, yaw naman all the way to the bottom. So, gumamit tayo ng kahit ang straw. Baka manikwa tayong pearls.
Naman na.
But, surprisingly na, ining milk tea ngayon, parang na ako 50% milk tea, 50% fruit tea. Kasi pining flavor na is honeydew. Hindi naman ka-refreshing. Pero fruit tea mo naman yung datang naman. Takala pa rin guys. So, baka adi ng dami talagang idea nung nalo-red up sa serve daw rin. So, let's have another drink. So, ining karelang Yakult Blend Green Apple. Another healthy options kay ining Milk Tealicious.
Ako naman itang karelang Oreo cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Naman karelang kaya, Oreo. Bagay, anything Oreo naman. Manyaman.
And hindi naman Yakult guys is very recommended po itang antingan ni Naldo na itang mapali. Itang talagang mawa marim lang inuman mga yan.
Yes.
This one is really recommended. So difference ka rin Milk Tealicious Plus with other Milk Tealicious store na at nila pong antinganini. So they have like dine-in, ample number of chairs and tables, good for wala mo dito ka chit-chat. Okay, so next to taste is yung karelang
Back to snacks tam.
Back to snacks. So yung kana ko is kini kita pa, pareho ta pa.
Sige.
Tapos. Yan. Cheers it out, bro. Cheers. So you wouldn't believe guys, in taco sandwich for these two
Is 70 pesos siya.
70 pesos.
Siguro mas manyaman yun kung medyo maparas siya pali. Naman itang beef na.
So for a price of 70 pesos, siguro if you're like just an individual na bisang magsariling mga mag-milk tea, bring 200 pesos.
Sold naman.
So pansin ko kayong snacks may kadwata pa mo ang Clubhouse, yung tacos, yung shawarma. They got really strong, delicious taste.
Malasa lang.
Malasa lang.
Especially itang gagamitan itong beef. Nyaman na.
So next drink na mo guys, yakot pilihan ko. Siyempre din na rin bestseller din eh. Yung next kong kanya is yung karelang Strawberry Red Velvet.
Kako naman ining Yakult Lychee with popping boba na lychee flavor yarin.
So first time kaya actually i-try yung karelang cream cheese. Kaya. And just to give you a preview again guys, then yung strawberry and matcha, aside from its being delicious, they are also full with antioxidants.
Antioxidants. Naka-refreshing lychee. Lalo na pag parang damang mo nito popping boba na mag-pop keng kaspo. Nyaman na.
Next siguro, so we only have nachos at saka yung karelang shawarma salad. So yung karelang taco salad guys is 110 pesos. Pero in serving na is actually
Good for 2
to 3 persons actually.
Same with Kening guys, shawarma salad.
Wow.
75 pesos siya mo, pero good for 2 na rin.
Wow. Again, in it has a really strong and delicious taste. Super. Although we have a lot of taste tests for sampling, rin po rin karelang bestsellers. Make sure to try these kasi rin pepatakam na kaya katama. So, magpasalamat kami po kayo kay Oras Shoe, kay Pangmalbeking, kay aming vlog. Magpasalamat kami muna naman of course kay Milk Tealicious Plus for inviting us. Again guys, all over Pampanga, they have like 60 branches.
Over Philippines naman, they are having more than 100 branches.
Makantala po karakal. So, congratulations, Milk Tealicious. Wait guys, so if you're interested to do business with them, again, make sure to contact po itong phone number that we're gonna be giving. And if you are interested to just taste or mag-dine kay ng Milk Tealicious Plus, make sure to check out ini pong karelang branch kay ng Mendoza Street, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Landmark na po ising galing Allied Bank branch in Water District.
They were open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday, makabayang oras yun na pwede rin takman din.
So guys, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. We're still gonna continue this until our next discovery.